Hey everyone, in this video guys, I'll show you how to unblock or reactivate your Uber driver account. So if you're an Uber driver dealing with a blocked account, I know it can be frustrating, but there's actually a few steps you can try to get back on the road, guys. So first things first, guys, you want to actually check for the reason for the block, okay? Just log in to your Uber driver app or just go to the Uber website and check your notifications or emails from Uber. They usually send an email with a reason why your account was blocked. Common reasons include things like, okay, look, I'll show you right here. There's missed documents, right? Missed document updates, background check issues. We have low ratings or even specific complaints from riders, okay? Knowing why your account is blocked is actually key to fixing the issue. So if you have, let's say, if you have to update missing or expired documents, sometimes Uber blocks accounts if your documents like your driver's license, a vehicle insurance, or registration are outdated, guys. Okay, just open up the driver app, go to the account tab, check for your documents. Okay, check your documents. If there are any expired or missing, just upload the most recent version and wait for Uber to approve them. They typically respond in 24 to 48 hours. And if actually updating your documents didn't solve the issue, the next step, guys, is actually to contact Uber support directly. So here's how you do it. Okay, go to the help section in the driver app, just search for account blocked or reactivate account and select the topic that matches your issue. Just fill out the details explaining your situation briefly but clearly. And alternatively, guys, you can visit a local Uber Greenlight hub for in-person support. They'll look into your account and they can often give a more direct help, okay? And if your account was blocked due to low ratings or complaints, it might be set to temporarily inactive. In this case, Uber sometimes requires a short waiting period before you can drive again. Just use this time to review the feedback from riders, take Uber's online safety or customer service courses if offered, and actually consider improvements to keep your ratings high once your account is reactivated. And let's say if your background issue is the issue, right? If it's a background check, then it might mean that Uber is waiting on results or has found something that needs clarification. You can contact Checker, which is the company Uber uses for background checks, to find out if there's a holdup, or you can get information on how to resolve any flagged issues. So those are the steps, guys, to unblock your Uber driver account. Hopefully these tips help